luck, buddy. Good luck, Riley. Good luck, Jacob. Good luck, man. Be careful out there.
I know, man. I'm scared this first turn getting taken out. Really am. I'm scared. Like, if I don't get around it fast enough, I'm going to have a bunch of bikes slamming right in the back of me. Woo. Oh, dude, I was taking a practice run. I am so slow around these corners.
Good luck, Tim.
Yeah.
Hey, you new? Steve Gibbs.
You old.
What's your name?
Here for 25 years. Johnson.
Hi,
Darren.
Darren. Hi, Darren. Ooh, look at all these new numbers.
My favorite place to camp.
What's that?
My favorite track to camp ride. I know I want to ride.
Good luck, buddy.
Thanks, bro. It's a fun course.
Yeah, it is. Tear him up, man. Man, I was really torn on where to start. Yeah, I don't know. That's probably what I should do. Tear him up, buddy.
How's Gibbs?
Fine, man. What's going on? I see you traded in the Yammer Hammer.
It's just in pieces. We're borrowing it from Martin's.
Oh, okay. Good luck. Thank you. I need a 5th or better.
You gotta be able to get that.
Gotta hope so.
Oh, yeah.
I hope so. Man, there's a lot of old men out here today. Jeez Louise. I think we're going to have a big class. I don't recognize.
Getting ready to start. I'll have to talk to you later.
hang on, will you? I want to set the bottom button on my whole shot device. Get it? No. Thanks, man. How many?
Dead engine starter.
What's that?
Dead engine starter.
Doing a documentary of him riding. Yeah. Yeah. I'm always behind him, so. Do what now? Yeah. Nah, you can just claim it's a snippet taken out of context. chocolate milk.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy. I see your boys racing in the 800. I asked him to give me at least one lap before he passes me, and not to rub my back tire. Just rev me, say, Gibber, it's Mason, let me go. I'll let you go.
I think this is going to be a big learning experience.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a couple fast guys in the 800s.
Maybe it'll make
Yeah, there's going to be a pretty good race at the top between Wade and Jared. You too, Mason. Huh?
you guys be up there next week. Not you? Maybe slow on paper. Maybe slow by the paper. Are you having a race at your place, right? Again? It's gonna be in the spring. In the spring? Wow. Well, that's
Right. First class did. Double A's went through the scoring.
Then they wiped out, didn't they? It says big wipeout.
Everybody wants to be part of that. All the action.
We are cool.
Cool to be old.
JP Fay got it for me. I looked around for you. Thanks, buddy. You racing?
I'm following Tyler. You gotta do this, man.
Woo!
Get down. Face down.